The purpose of this tutorial is to show a student if you were in the middle of a session with a tutor and there was a technical issue like a timeout and you had part of the question done, but it wasn't finished, how do you get that back instead of connecting with a tutor and starting all over again? So if you go into your My Stuff and go into the Save Chat. So let's say this is the question. It's an area question, part done, but not the whole thing. If you click on the session, of course, if I want to replay it, this I would just click on play here. But what I want to do is click on Load Chat End State. And what that does is it changes that chat into a set of whiteboards. If there were 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, you'd see all of them. So here's the question, and of course you could just click Choose a Tutor, connect with a tutor. So the tutor connects with you. Here we go. Okay, now we're in a session, and the question is on the whiteboard. So you can continue with the question instead of having to redraw the diagram, do all the work, and start over. So just use that Load Chat End State command from the Save Chat, connect with another tutor or the same one, and go merrily on your way and get finished with your math help. And that's the end of the tutorial.